Stand by.
Yes, sir, personnel. Clear to engage this also. Affirmative. That first target could fire.
2-3 arms.
Hey, ready.
Good shot.
Direct secondaries.
More movers, another vehicle, and more people clear to engage all those. Copy.
Hey, ready.
Moving.
Good, come back on those guys. Here we go.
Yeah, another secondary.
Other people coming out of the mosque right now.
Hey, ready.
Go for the vehicle.
Secondaries.
Nice secondary.
Vehicles,
You
people
guys are
can't
going
leave.
to town, man. Personnel running, there you go.
Come on, box. There we go.
We don't move it further.
Ready, ready.
Go to that vehicle.
Kill truck.
Flares away, flares away.
Flares.
No joy load.
Okay.
Continue engaging.
Pilot, continue engaging.
Get that person.
Stop the flares. Stop the flares.
Hi, that's the correct geometry. Give me 10 seconds.
Roger.
Ready. Get ready.
He went down to the ground.
Yeah, he just dove underground. He's
Okay,
moving
back
again.
in the box.
He's loaded. Get him.
Moving back to the vehicles and
Yeah,
personnel.
the personnel right there.
Get ready. Get ready.
We have a little more.
Get ready. Get ready.
You're gonna get him.
Watch that moss over there too.
Roger.
Kilo 26 Boston.
Right,
Go
he's
in
running,
the
he's running
mosque.
into the mosque.
The vehicles.
Ready.
Go into the building to put the 105s
Kilo
in.
26 Boston.
Yes, ma'am.
Stand by. Wildfire, we cleared on the building. If you're cleared on the big square building, you can go ahead and level it. Roger that. Clear on the
Correct.
building, guys.
Hey.
Okay. Get ready.
Catching up with you over the building.
Roger.
Are you there? TV's no use on target. Gonna scan the area.
Checking the vehicles too.
You are cleared to level the building.
Do you have any more personnel in the area?
Don't see any right now.
Get ready. Get ready.
Offsetting.
Get ready. Get ready.
He fell. Just trying to lead him.
Frag to get him.
Get ready.
Go ahead, Chip 3-1. Now if you go directly west, about approximately 100 meters, you'll see a single hot spot there. That's the cave or tunnel entrance.
Get ready. Right there. Get ready.
Checking.
That's start clear to fire.
Stand by. Moving TR.
Copy.
Okay, you're in the box.
Round coming down, just fire. Yeah, direct hits right there.
Get ready. Get ready.
Offsetting for the howitzer.
Guy moving, guys moving.
Got him.
Lots of guys.
No box, no box.
Coming out of the
One
hole.
runner, run out of there.
Are.
Alright, got three.
There, you got it.
Get ready.
Guy moving
Just
to
the other
the
guy.
south there, yep. Still, but got two of them there.
Get ready.
Back on the other guys.
Oh, you got the other guy. That landed probably within 2 feet of
That
him.
one's still crawling there.
Yep.
That guy's still moving.
The one up to the south.
Oh,
Correct.
Yes.
Get ready. Get ready. Let's hold up and look around here. I know those two guys. I saw them flying apart.
yeah,
Yeah, I got that guy too.
I saw him die earlier. He was in 40 round.
Correct.
Get ready. Get ready.
Guy's moving.
Yeah, he is.
We went down that embankment, he was protected.
Oh,
Correct.
Yes.
Get ready.
Don't
Just
see
give me
any
a
other
highlight,
movement.
Phil.
Permission to go back to the compound?
Go meet at the church, man.
Yeah, go ahead and head on back to the compound.